This looks completely natural and real, and the crazy part, it's super easy, made with just one click. You've probably seen these kinds of videos all over social media lately. They're trending hard and pulling in tons of views. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make them. With this method, you can not only copy character movements, but also facial expressions and lip sync with great accuracy and apply them to your own character. Whether it's realistic or animated, it doesn't matter, it all works. So stick with me and let's test it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The Pollo AI website, which I've introduced to you a few times before, I've also attached links to those videos so you can check them out. It comes packed with a ton of tools. You've got a powerful image generator with access to models like Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, Seedream, and more. Most of the well-known high-quality video generators are also available here and super easy to use. On top of that, if you're trying to create viral videos automatically, you can use their AI agent or take advantage of a wide range of ready-made effects available on the platform. But today, we're going to test the Mimic Motion tool. In short, this tool transfers all the movements from a source video onto a character that you define using an image reference. And when I say all movements, I mean even the facial expressions get replicated almost perfectly. It basically works like motion capture. It doesn't matter if your character is human, animal, or a creature, realistic or animated. It handles everything fast and with just one click. All these samples you see here can be recreated with your own characters. Just hit Create Similar, and all the settings will be automatically applied in the generator. Then you can simply swap the image reference and generate your version. One interesting thing is that this feature can also use different AI models, each with its own strengths. For example, Kling 3 works better for videos with facial expressions, while Runway and Kling 2.6 perform better for full body motion and motion capture like dancing. This is important because each model uses a different amount of credits, so choosing the right one can actually save you a good amount. After you upload your video and image reference, you can also add a prompt here for better accuracy, though it's not required. In the settings, you can choose standard mode for faster results, or pro mode if you want higher quality, which takes a bit longer. You've also got a couple of options for privacy if you need them. And just a quick note, I'm muting the music here because of YouTube copyright, but you can probably tell these are trending tracks from social media. Honestly, it did a great job, even in standard mode. One quick tip though, try not to include extra objects with your character. It can confuse the AI and cause issues like this bag in the character's hand here. Let's try another dance sample with a different AI model. This time I'm using WAN 2.2. Here we've got two cool options. We can animate the image and keep the character in the exact same location, or replace the original character in the reference video. I'm going with the second option, swapping in the female character into the video's location. And this time, I'll use Pro mode as well. Let's check the result. Now it's time to test it with an animated character and see if it holds up. Just like before, all you need to do is pick your image, and it'll copy and paste the motion from the reference video onto it. Honestly, the quality here is pretty solid too. My suggestion, if you're using an animated character, try using an animated reference video as well. That way the motion style matches better. For example, you can grab clips from Pixar or Disney movies or any other animated series you like. Now, to test facial performance, I'm picking another reference video that focuses more on face movements. For this one, I'll use Kling 3, which in my opinion gives better quality. Nice. The facial expressions, hand movements, and eye motion all look spot on. It even added camera focus shifts, which really shows the model's creativity. Another super cool feature of Mimic Motion is that it can handle lip sync really well too. I'm going to test that with another sample video and a new image reference. That came out great. The lip movement is perfectly synced and the body motion matches really well too. The details are all there. If you look closely at the neck and chest movement, you'll notice how accurate it is.
Like tears in rain.
Pollo AI has a ton of features and tools, and what's great is that you can choose to go fully automatic or take a more manual professional approach. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, stay creative.